primitive toolmaking explained. The process of creating primitive tools involves selecting the right materials found in nature. Blades are typically fashioned by striking a hard rock against a softer one to create a sharp edge. Axes and hatchets are created by attaching a sharpened stone to a sturdy wooden handle using natural bindings like sinew or plant fibers. Spears are made by attaching a pointed stone or bone tip to a long, straight wooden shaft for hunting or self-defense. Once the tools are completed, they are essential for survival in hunting, cutting, and building shelters in the prehistoric world.